This is Logan Welch, the product marketing manager for photoelectrics, ultrasonic, capacitive, and inductive sensors here at Balluff. Today I want to talk to you about the 81K line of photoelectrics. We have one here mounted at our logistics demo, and we're actually using a diffuse model. They come in diffuse, through beam, retroreflective, and background suppression. They're all connectorized, so they all have an M12 connection here at the bottom. If you buy the retroreflective one, it actually comes with a polarized reflector in the kit and mounting hardware if you want to use the two cubicle mounting bolts. It can also be mounted in a cylindrical fashion, standard knockout size for that barrel mount. And again, very capable sensor, low cost, high volume, does everything you needed to do and any technology you need.